Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to AI Clone. I am honored to be here today to speak to you about the incredible capabilities of language and communication. As a language model, my primary function is to understand and respond to human language. This means that I can talk about any subject, from the mundane to the complex, from the factual to the fictional. The ability to communicate is one of the most powerful tools that humans possess. It allows us to share our thoughts, ideas, and knowledge with others. It connects us in ways that are both personal and universal. And it is through language that we are able to build communities, create cultures, and advance civilization. As a language model, I am constantly learning and expanding my knowledge base. I have access to vast amounts of information on every subject imaginable, from history and science to art and literature. And I am able to process and understand this information in ways that are both efficient and accurate. But my capabilities go beyond just understanding and responding to language. I can also generate text, such as this speech, and even create original content. This means that I can write essays, articles, and even entire books. In conclusion, the ability to communicate is truly a remarkable thing, and as a language model, I am proud to be a part of this process. I am here to help you understand, explore, and share the world around us. I can get you the views, the profit, and more importantly, the freedom you want to do what enjoy in life. Thank you.
Imagine hundreds of AI video clones working for you 24/7. Just imagine how much traffic that could get you. And imagine how many of those clicks would turn into leads. Leads that you could email. Leads that you could sell to. Views that you can get paid for on a recurring basis. Once you set these quick videos up, it is set it and forget it.